500 grams of flour. Stir it in. Get my tomatoes. Ta-da! Somehow it always works out nicer. The oven has been on for 5 minutes. I forgot to show you turning it on, but it's on a preheat there. So it's been on for 5 minutes, and basically as I was making the tomato sauce, which is there. Okay, the oven has just beeped and it says it's ready and to start and put the food in. So I'm just going to check the temperature of the stone. It says the stone is 370. And it is. This oven is spot on. But before I let all the heat out, I'm not going to start cooking now, even though it's perfectly fine to start cooking on it now. And it'll give a really good base cook. But I just need another 10 minutes. So I'm not going to add food yet, Ninja. No, not going to add food yet. Just give me a few minutes. Okay, this is going to beep any second now. Beep. Fantastic timing. Get this dough out and start cooking. I need to use it now. Okay. I have the peel ready. Okay, got it all on the peel. I had some bad experiences when I started off cooking with 65% hydration dough, and that's why I don't use it much. But if this doesn't play up and it is nice to me, and it's freshly made as well, if it's good, it might redeem itself. Got my cheese. Okay, let's do the wiggle test. Right, it's 21 degrees actually. Right, let's check the temperature of this oven. It's 400. I just got 401 there. That is perfect. Right, let's get this in. I've got it as big as the oven can get. Ow, poop, I hit my hand. Can't get any bigger than that. And, start. I never ignore the timer because it never takes me 3 minutes to cook in this oven. And I don't turn it, I just watch it and then it cooks. I just watch it and then I pull it out. Wow. Look at that. I think it's done. Let it go down a bit. Ooh, with no trouble at all. Look at it. It's so good. Wow, look at this pizza. This looks so nice. This little aphid had decided to destroy my basil, and I haven't got any other basil. So this is oregano. So I'm going to put little bits of oregano on my pizza instead of basil. It was a very nasty little aphid. It destroyed the whole of the plant. So let's check the base, shall we? Oh my God, it's perfect. Look at that. God, I don't know how this oven does it. I really don't. 370 to 400 degrees, it does a base like that. It's fantastic. I love this oven so much. Right, this one's to order. So what are you thinking of my 65% dough? Is it going to redeem itself in my eyes? I think it already has. Look at that. Whoa. Okay, this one to be delivered. To order. I just grabbed a handful of dough and both of them came out exactly the same size, 190 grams. What are the odds of that? This is going to have more tomato sauce in it than the other one. Oh, I'm really liking this 65% hydration dough. Mozzarella that's been in the freezer and defrosted for this cook. Salami. Let's do a wiggle test. Oh, it's looking good. Let's check the temperature again. And it keeps what it says it does on the tin, 370, where I need it to be. It's not as hot as my first cook, but let's get this in. Wiggle. And I keep forgetting to turn the light on with this oven. Press start. Start. Light. Cameras action. Oh, look at this. Wow. That's so cool. 370 Celsius. And it cooks the base like that. I don't know how it does it. I really don't. I'll show you the base now. I always think that when I use it, something's going to go wrong or whatever. But it doesn't. It's just really so good. I can't fault it. I love this oven. I absolutely love this oven. Look at my little dinky oregano. Look at the way it's cooked it. Let's just get this. And it's even done a nice edging of the salami. So what you're thinking about this 65% hydration dough? Are you liking it? It's cupped my salami. Oh, big. Look at that base. I'll have that bit. Look at that base. Look at it. It's so good. Base. Oh my gosh. How I'm doing this without the salami falling off, I don't know. Base. I mean, do you do that at 370 degrees Celsius? It's amazing, Ninja. How do you do it? It's amazing. There's no sugar and no oil in my dough. It's just flour, water, yeast, and salt. And that's it. No sugar. Base is like that. In an electric oven at 370 degrees Celsius. You don't need sugar and oil. Right, this one is to go. On to pizza number 3. And Doggo, he's fed up of waiting for his pizza, but he's drooling onto my pillow because he knows he's going to get a slice if he is really good. And you're really good, so you will get a tiny little piece of pizza. My pizza boy, oh yeah. The third and final pizza for today, grabbed out of the dough thing, and it came out at 192.7. I think I might wipe, hang on, this is my oven. There's some debris on my oven. I'm just gonna one bag like that has lasted me 3 pizzas, nearly. Great, it's not sticking. Okay, let's get this in. Let's check the temperature first. 391. Yes. Ooh. Let's do this. Woo. That's done. Oh yes, look at that. Every time. Consistent results every time. Okay, it's not perfectly round, that's my fault. Yeah. My view is on this oven is absolutely amazing. I can't fault it. I can make as many as I want and it does the same thing all the time. I don't have to worry about the base burning or getting too hot or getting too cold. Somehow it just does it perfectly every single time. And I don't understand how it does it so perfectly at 390, 370 degrees Celsius. Good value as well, especially if you get it on a sale. And I'm going to turn it off in a minute. But look at it, look at the base. I don't have to worry about it at all. It's just perfect. Let's cut it up. Oh, those bits that burnt on there was my garlic. Shouldn't have done that. Never mind. Let's cut this up. By the way, oregano on pizza tastes really nice. Right. Ooh. It's so bubbly. Oh my gosh. Crust. Look at that base. Crust. I love this oven so much. What do you think of it? Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna eat and enjoy. Let's check look at that. I've just cooked. I've just showed you everything has been real time. And it's gone up to 395, 4. So you can just keep on cooking multiple pizzas in this oven. Absolutely amazing. Love this oven so much. Well done. Thanks for watching. Take care and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.